So you're going to buy windows and doors. We offer a quality product, and so do a lot of other companies. What makes the difference in your satisfaction? It's our installation. It's the quality of our products, it's the quality of the people that are doing the work, and it is the Newman Way. That is what sets us aside from all of our competitors. Because it's what you don't see that really makes the difference. Let me explain in more detail what the Newman Way means to you as a homeowner. Let's talk about caulking, what's commonly known as caulking. We refer to these as sealants. I'm going to break down some terminology so you understand what I'm talking about. But here's the difference. You can go to a big box store and you can buy a cheap tube of caulking. When you put that on the outside of your house to protect your windows from leaking, how many years is that going to last before it breaks down? We use high-grade polyurethane caulking. It's paintable, and the reason we use paintable is that once we've caulked your windows in, if you ever decide to change the color of your home and you want to paint, there's nothing more frustrating than trying to paint over a silicone that doesn't accept paint, and your paint will not stick to it. So we take a lot of things into consideration when we're picking our sealants, our caulking, and a paintable, high-grade paintable polyurethane is what we use. So your windows are installed, and you've got some caulking on the outside, and you think it's great. No, it's not. We use 2 layers of caulking to make sure that your windows don't leak. So whether you call it caulking or sealant, we're going to put this on your windows in 2 different locations. We're going to apply this to the back side of the Z-bar flashing that is what you see on the outside of the house, or we will apply it directly to your existing window frame that then creates a bond that you can't see. When the window's installed, we then tape off the outside of your house. A lot of us in San Diego County have rough stucco or some sort of a texture. We use a nice piece of tape to get a straight line, and then we do a beauty seal on the outside that you will see that looks better than most. Let's talk about what holds your windows in the house. Screws. So these screws are zinc plated. They have pre-painted white heads on them, or black or beige, whatever color we're doing. But the quality of the hardware that we use, the screws that we use to put your windows in, are very high quality. The difference between that and some cheap stuff that you can buy from a hardware store, the longevity, really important, especially if you're anywhere near the beach, which most people in Southern California are pretty close to the beach. That salt air will destroy your screws. Also, the quantity of screws that we put into your windows. We adhere to really strict guidelines on where we put the screws, how many we put in, to ensure that you've got a really good quality installation. So let's tie this all together. Everything I've just told you leads to the fact that I offer you a 100% lifetime warranty on our installation for as long as you own your home. The quality of the materials, doing it the Newman Way, gives me the confidence that your windows will not fall apart, the installation won't break down, and you are covered for life.